Hi there, welcome back to the channel, and welcome to a new vlog. I'm James, and this is my beautiful wife, Mildred, and behind me is my Maserati Ghibli SQ4. I have a question for y'all. Probably you've noticed this. When you start your engine, you've heard a ticking noise in the engine. When you open the hood, you hear it pronouncedly. I know what it is, and I'll tell you what it is coming up. So I don't know if you can hear this. Try and get it closer. The ticking's coming from back here. And back here, you'll have your high pressure fuel pump. That's what's making that noise. If you lift your cover off and you listen down on this side, you'll hear it pronouncedly. You can't see the high pressure fuel pump because it's covered with a soundproof cover, which doesn't work very well, obviously, but because you can still hear it pronouncedly. On this side, you cannot. I hear it over there. I hear it coming from over there, but I don't hear it coming from this side. So if you've heard the ticking noise, there's no need to be concerned. I have it on good faith from a certified Maserati technician that it's perfectly normal. Sometimes you can even hear it from outside the car. I know I can. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please support my channel by clicking the like button, subscribe, and clicking the bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Until then,
it's paddle time!